Welcome to Popsuite. Before diving into a quick walkthrough video, let's see what is Popsuite all about and how you can use it for your business. We developed this Popsuite to build a better relationship with your website visitor. You can capture leads, build an email list, or offer a discount code for your website visitor when they land. You can also add a testimonial video, product or service explainer video, or you can allow your customer to book a appointment with you.
We can click on create a new widget. So we have other widgets coming soon. So first we can see how double widget is created. You can give a name to it. You can give a demo session. Uh, Demo session. You can also even choose the size of your widget. It should be large or medium or even small. Let's keep it medium, and even also position of your widget on, and also shape of the widget, circle or square or rectangle. If you have a rectangle video, you can also upload it. So I'll choose square, and also you can choose the border color here. I'm choosing it red, and I want which pages you want to display. So I want to display on this landing page. So copy this URL and paste it here, enter spacebar, and you can also give a widget a title, get it now, or give it anything like a test video. Also give a heading to it, shop now. Even you can also customize this heading. You can give it an extra large, bold. I can also choose a text color. Let's keep it as blue. Here I want it blue, and you can also choose, and you can also upload an image or GIF or even a video. So I'm choosing now a video. So I'm going to use this video, or even you can upload a video here. So you can upload the video. So right now we have a limit of 35 MB. So you cannot upload video more than 35 MB. So make sure you have a video less than 35 MB. I'm going to use this. This is how it looks. So we can also enable countdown timer if you have, and also provide a FOMO effect. So I'm going to give it as submit now. You can also display coupon code if you have. You can also create a form or FP Messenger, or you can simply give a Calendly. So right now I want to redirect my customers to a product page. So I'm giving it a submit now. Give a link like teaser.in. So I have a website. Click on add widget. So that's it. It's done. And you can click publish here, and you can paste it, enable it, and also copy this code. So I'm using system.io. So this landing page is built on system.io. So let's see. So I'm going to paste it on my settings, edit footer code. So basically our works on footer code. We can also edit and put it on the footer code. Click save changes. So I'm using system.io. You can use any website, any landing page builder. It works on any landing page builder. And if you choose this preview, don't choose preview because we haven't. So you can